traders, Joe Baker back with you, and I'm going to go over a little bit of some market symmetry. I told you in my last video that I was believing there was some premium priced into the market and that we were losing momentum on the upside as the market was driving higher and was looking for a pullback. Okay, well, that did happen. We pulled back quite a bit, and where do we go from here? Well, this is kind of a little symmetry ladder. We do this in our trading room intraday, and I was trying to find a pattern on the daily chart, and I'm going to be honest with you, I was kind of struggling to see any type of pattern. However, the symmetry did come in. Just want to show you this breakdown here, came back, broke up, okay, and it stayed right inside this range. I don't know if you can follow my cursor, okay, but you kind of came up to this level here, pulled right back down, came right up to the top level here, pulled right back down, came right up to the top level here, and came right back down, and right up to the top here, and right back down. Okay, so there we go. We've got something to work with, stating that if all goes well, okay, we should head back up. Okay, all right. That's what it's saying. So where is the key level right now? It is at 853 and a quarter. Okay, that's pretty much key right now, guys. Okay, 853 and a quarter is kind of the key level right now. We need to stay above it. If we break down below it, the next level is about the 828 level. Okay, next area of decent support. Okay, so really kind of want to hold this 853. We have pulled back quite nicely and quite fast. So we will see if this symmetry is going to hold and come up any higher, or if she's just going to break down and take out the 853. Now, that being said, we made a swing low today off the 60 area and bounced nicely into the close. Okay, so a lot of buying going into the close. We shall see if the lows of today are taken out, but if they are, remember the 853 level is right underneath you, so don't get too crazy on the short side until we get a good solid close below the 53 area. Underneath that area, I believe, is 46, I believe. But at any rate, I'm going to go over the levels that I send out as well. I'd like to go over that. I send out levels every night, and I've got a lot of feedback. Obviously, they've been hitting right on lately. Literally within ticks on a few of them, some within a few points. Getting my level, but going down a few more points past, which is great because you're definitely guaranteed to get your target. But I'd just like to talk about them a little bit, just to kind of give you an idea how to trade them. So just hold 1 second. Okay, this is today's level. Okay, and as you see, we had a breakdown. Okay, the 884.50 was kind of a key level. All right, you can see how the market just really couldn't get over that all night long. Okay, through the whole Globex session. Again, my line in the sand, it means I'm bullish above and bearish below. Okay, that doesn't mean that you should hold short up until there. It just means that, if the market can't get up into this territory, this showing signs of weakness. Okay, and the market can go between breakout and breakdown, and can trade in between there as well. Okay, nothing's saying the market has to do anything. These are just known areas of support and resistance. Once the market gets into an area of breakout, okay, that would be my green box above, if this was green, if we had to update. I color in the boxes when I send them out. However, this is not colored in, but this is what it means. If it gets into this area, the likelihood, okay, the higher we get, the likelihood of getting our target, okay, gets better and better. Okay, so let's go over here. You get your breakdown finally. You break inside the area. You came right back out to the area of breakdown. You come down, now 75 known level, okay? Then we take the 75 out. We get down to about the 74s, 73s area. We come right back up to the 79s, okay? Now again, known level, okay? So there's buying interest here, okay? There are going to be people sitting here. There are going to be traders knowing this level, okay? 75 is a key level. So there is going to be some buying interest here. So this is where you want to harvest some of your profits and then get out, okay, and get back into the trade. Now what happens here? You were able to take this area out. So the market said, believe it or not, I'm weak enough to take out the 75s. It showed you here. It left a calling card. Comes down here, takes it out handily, goes sideways for approximately maybe 10, 15 minutes or so, breaks right down to the 70 area, okay? Another known level, okay? What does it do? Pops back and forth, back and forth, back and forth for about an hour, back up again, comes back down again, known level, back up again, comes back down again, known level. But you see how they took, you probably can't see it, but they did take these areas out by a few ticks, by about 2 or 3 ticks here and by a couple of ticks here. Came right back up, and again, guys, okay, right on a time zone, right into the 2 o'clock time zone. They sell it off solid, handily. A couple of clearing candles here, right down to the target zone. Okay? Literally right down to the target zone. Now, something I want to caution you, and everybody in the room knows this. I mean, it's no secret, but if you trade after 3 o'clock, okay, you better put your cowboy hat on, okay, and your spurs, all right, and get on that bull, okay? A lot of people, for some reason, I don't know what it is, but they continue to want to trade the end of the day. And I'm just going to continue to caution you that if you're going to trade the end of the day, please trade light, please trade careful, because this is actually when I hit the target, I was done for the day, okay? I was out, and the market, I think, went down, took out the level, got down to the 60s, okay? I think I had 58 and 3/4 for an extended level. Got down to about 60 and then rallied all the way back up to like 72, I think so. Rallied like 12 points into the close. Remember, there are a lot of traders getting out of the market, okay, not based on technicals, but based on the fact that 85% get out of the market at the end of the day due to margin requirements, okay? So you're going to have buying and selling not based on technical reasons. So again, plus the bond market closes and there's a lot of hedging going on in that bond market. It's just something that I personally do not like to get involved with. And I can tell you that if it saves you, one trade a day, just think how much that ends up at the end of the year. Okay, seriously, guys. Okay, give yourself a nice $60,000 raise and don't trade after 3 o'clock. Okay, that's only a few $100s a day. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is just please be cautious. All right, after the 3 o'clock time frame, we do have a method to trade after 3. Okay, and it involves some intermarket analysis and some time zones as well. But I just wanted to go over these just to show you, areas of interest. Look for buying responses, look for selling responses, look for buying responses, look for selling responses, and then more selling once you take out the area. Once you close below the area, okay, like you never closed below here, but this was the first close below. You've handily taken out this area. So everybody who bought the 70/50s now have to liquidate down. Okay? All right, I'm running about out of time here, guys, so I'll bid you adieu. But remember, you are more than welcome to come in, take a free trial in our room. Okay? If you like it, you can stay. If you don't like what you see, you can move on. But again, give us the opportunity to show you that there is a method to this madness to trade this market, and it's not as difficult as you all think. Okay, guys, take care, and I'll be talking to you later.